been searching, follow every step, every road, every single trace.
What up, guys?
What up? It's us again, me and Marcus together, and we are going to do a review today on this controller stand for the PS4 controllers. So we got two controllers, and we constantly need to charge them, obviously. So this will charge them. Alright, so Marky's gonna unbox it for us today. And I'm gonna grab the camera. Let's go, Marcus. Let's see what's inside. Woohoo! That's a bunch of stuff.
Here's the thing.
What is that?
This is the thing to hold it.
Oh, it's like a stand.
Yeah, and here's the thing.
Nice, nice.
And it puts right here.
Wow, you're quick. Okay, looks like it just snaps on. It already went in. Wow, that was easy.
And here's
Cool.
the charger.
Whoa, is that a little box?
Yeah, I guess I'll open it.
And a little warranty card. Interesting. In the back here, there is a micro USB port. And there's two USB ports on the side. And then there's these guys here, which I guess where your remote will plug in. Ooh, nice. So you get a charging cable?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, and you get 4 of those little dongle things. Look at that.
That's crazy.
Oh, it's just a connector. All it is just a connector. That's interesting. So you plug that into your remote and then that plugs into here. That's kind of weird, yeah?
Yeah, but 2 of them cannot charge at a time.
Yes, they can. There's 2 spots. Look, 1, 2.
Yeah, but there's only
4 can't charge at a time. But you can have up to 4 of the remotes. Or it comes with extra ones. I guess maybe that's good if you lose them. You have extra.
Yeah.
Okay, see if you can plug this into the remote. Okay, so for kids it might be a little hard because they don't know where the hole is. Oh, there it goes. Alright, so it's kind of weird that it just sits there and that's how you play it. So maybe that's okay, I don't know. Kind of looks a little funny. But not too bad technically. So I guess it's supposed to just go like this. Oh, there we go. That's pretty simple. Oh, wow. Well, that's pretty cool. Look at that. It just kind of just bloop. Easy peasy. Japanesey. More like Chinesey. Ooh, that kind of rhymes. Easy peasy Chinesey.
Yeah.
Not really actually. It kind of look like eyes, yeah? Like little robot eyes. They're always looking at you. Yeah. Alright, we got them on the stand and they're on there and we connected our USB in the back for the charging. And now we are going to see if they will charge.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to plug it into the computer here. I don't know how much power this computer gives out, but it should be enough, hopefully, to charge both of them. Alright, see if I can concentrate on this bottom one here. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Go.
Oh,
ooh, it's lighting up. I see it. It's lighting up, dude.
Yeah, there's one right there.
Oh, that one's lighting up too. Look at that.
And that means it's yellow.
Okay, yeah, that one on the top is pulsing. The one on the bottom just turned off, so I'm guessing it's fully charged probably. But man, this thing looks pretty good, dude. It looks like a spaceship or something. Look at that thing. Whoa.
2 double remotes.
Uh-huh, and they're like upside down. It looks kind of crazy.
Yeah. It looks like these are eyeballs.
Looks awesome.
Mm-hmm.
You happy about this?
Yeah, and these look like eyeballs.
Alright, now let's go put it where we think it's going to live forever. Well, at least for a while. For now.
It's probably going to be right here.
Somewhere around here.
Probably right here.
Let's just put it on top of the PlayStation for now.
What if it gets scratched?
Whoa, looking good.
What if it gets scratched?
It's not going to get scratched. Actually, that's a good point. Let's see what's underneath there. We didn't really show what's underneath there. Oh, there's rubber feet.
Oh.
Well, actually kind of foamy feet. But they're definitely not going to scratch. Dude, it's kind of dark. Anyways.
Because you're blocking the light.
By the way, good job pointing out if it's going to scratch.
Thanks.
Alright guys, so you can either use a separate power for this, or you can plug it into your PlayStation 4. We're going to try to plug it in here in the front. And see if they will charge. And look at that. They both activated. So the bottom's done, I guess, and the top one is charging. So that's it for this review. Thanks for watching.
And we will see you on the next
No. If you want to get one of these charging thingamajiggers, we'll leave a link in the description. And check out our other videos. Hit the like button if you liked it, and subscribe to see more reviews. Alright, thanks for watching.
Okay, we'll see you on the next one. Peace.
Peace.